Hello everyone. Thank you so much to Anthony for coming to support us at Nice to Meet You. Very well, man. Alright. Hope everyone have a good day and peace and love.
And that's why I came in the store, because I love the sign. Nice to meet you. So
Yes,
I had to come
nice
in
to meet you.
and meet them, and they're wonderful people here. So come and see them. What is your name?
My name is Marini. I'm from Indonesia. Thank you, sir, already coming over the restaurant. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Getting table service. Anthony and I are sharing a dish. He's been kind enough to split it for us. Try a beef dish at Nice to Meet You. This is Anthony's third visit and my first. The service has been excellent and food excellent so far. We just finished some side dishes, getting ready for the main thing.